Welcome back. A head-on collision of two minibuses injured around 22 passengers. The accident took place at Kucheli in Badias Taluka on Tuesday. Mapsa police have registered an accident case and investigation is on.
An accident took place on Tuesday morning. Two minibuses plying from Mapsa to Shioli and from Shioli to Mapsa had a head collision at Kucheli. Bus moving towards Shioli took over from wrong side and collided with the bus coming from the opposite side. Around 22 passengers suffered minor injuries. Later, two passengers were referred to the GMC. Mapsa PI Rajesh Kumar informed us more.
They had a head-on collision and it appears that the driver of the bus number GA03T7030, that is the minibus which was proceeding towards Sholem, went towards the wrong side of the road and gave a dash. So an accident is registered and we are in the process of registering an offence against the driver.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Goincha Shetkarancho Ekvot has demanded scrapping of forest policy formulated by the state government. They claim that policy has failed to consider huge issues plaguing Goan forests. They have strongly demanded implementation of Forest Rights Act of 2006.
Goicha Shetkarancho Ekvot claims that there are serious flaws in the proposed forest policy and has demanded scrapping of the policy. They also claim that Forest Rights Act of 2006 should be implemented in the state. They have submitted a memorandum to the Forest Department.
ह्या फॉरेस्ट पॉलिसीन मायनिंग भितर दाखयलां फॉरेस्ट एक्टान. मायनिंग, इको टुरिजम असले दाखयलां. ज्यो तळयो आसात आनी जंय मायग्रेटरी बर्ड्स येतात, शेवणी येतात, ताजें कांयच मेन्शन केल्लें ना, प्रोटेक्शन ना. तर हो कायदो सपोज पॉलिसी तांणी लागू केली गव्हर्मेंटान जाल्यार फॉरेस्ट काबार जातलें. आनी कन्जर्वेटर ऑफ फॉरेस्ट हो जो पोस्ट आसा तो पोस्ट तांकां काडचो पडटलो आनी डिस्ट्रॉयर ऑफ फॉरेस्ट म्हणून घालचें पडटलें. हें डिस्ट्रक्शनाचें गोश्ट आसा. ह्या खातीर हो पॉलिसी तांणी फाटल्यान घेवन सेंट्रल फॉरेस्ट एक्ट लागू करपा जाय गोंयच्या खातीर इमिजिएटली.
A resident of Kotigao Kankon claims that they are being harassed by some forest officers. He claims that implementation of Forest Rights Act of 2006 will rescue people residing in forest area from the clutches of forest officers.
फॉरेस्टाचे राखणदार आणि फॉरेस्टांक जे कितें आसा ताचे हक्कदार आमी आसात. पूण दुर्दैव आज अशें गोवा गव्हर्मेंट अजूनय पोर्तुगीजाचे कायदे घेवन आसा. आनीक आमी जरी रानां गेले, कुल्ले हाडपाक, नुस्तें हाडपाक गेले, जर आमी जळाऊ लाकडां हाडपाक गेले जाल्यार फॉरेस्टाचे ऑफिसर आमकां येवन मारपाक सुरवात करता.
Our reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
It's 7 years since Goa government demolished the infamous Baina cubicles. Half of the land is now occupied by the Ravindra Bhavan. Many say the rest half still survives on the sex trade. The then CM is now the opposition leader. He feels that the illicit trade is thriving again and the ruling regime is responsible for it.
It's been 7 years since 14th June 2004 when half the portion of red light area was demolished as per the High Court order. It was the then BJP government who cleared one portion in Baina. The other portion in Baina has bars and hotels. But even after clearing these certain elements, sex trade is supported by some. Manohar Parrikar blamed government and police administration for rise in sex trade at Baina.
To start developing vested interest, so probably vested interest still exists. So I was also told that some sporadic development of such activity are taking place. I think government should control it right now. So this is bound to happen when there is no control of the senior officers.
Do you think somewhere the Congress is again playing the vote bank politics?
They are at this moment playing vote bank politics.
Now, government has utilized the cleared portion for Ravindra Bhavan building. The other portion still houses the old Baina. Will government be able to merge both the Bainas in one Ravindra Bhavan culture? Our reporter in Vasco, Surendra Madkekar.
A structure violating CRZ regulations was demolished by Kolwa Panchayat on Tuesday. High Court had ordered this demolition. The owner of the structure claims that the structure is legal and it is demolished due to political influence.
A structure belonging to S. Gonsalves, a resident of Kolwa, was demolished on Tuesday by the Kolwa Panchayat. The High Court had ordered the Panchayat to demolish the structure. It was demolished amidst high security. Deputy Collector Mormugaon Levinson Martins said that the structure is demolished as it violates CRZ norms.
This demolition has been carried out by the village panchayat of Kolva, in which the Goa Coastal Zone Management Authority has identified the structure before demolition, and demolition is going on, being a construction in violation of the Coastal Regulation Zone notification.
However, the owner of the structure claims that the structure is demolished due to political influence. He says that he has faith in the judiciary.
कळना पॉलिटिकल हायकोर्टान ही मॅटर जाली हायकोर्टान मॅटर तांकाडे जोरी तर तेंची बुजवतीन तेमी सांगले आयडेंटिफाय डिमागेट कर म्हूण हांव बिलीव करता इन द जुडिशियल सिस्टम आनी हांव जाणा म्हाका एंड ऑफ द डे आय विल गेट रिजल्ट आय बिलीव इन द जुडिशियल सिस्टम एंड आय विल गेट माय फेअर शेअर ऑफ कित्याक पिटिशन्स आर ऑलरेडी गोईंग ऑन 734 पिटिशन चलता हायकोर्टान.
Our reporter from Madgaon, Ramesh Naik Raut.
News from sports when we come back. Stay tuned.